As new technologies make highly responsive, individualized products and services the norm, automotive companies face a major challenge: running and optimizing their established engineering and manufacturing businesses, while also building the expertise to understand and thrive in a vastly more complex mobility ecosystem, where how to get from A to B has 100 new answers, and fast-moving digital native competitors can offer 1,000 new services along the way. In the biggest revolution since wheels started turning, companies capable of shifting focus from product design to customer experience design and of building a full mobility ecosystem will outperform the rest. But getting there means re-engineering the relationship between technology and the business. It means becoming an intelligent, data-driven enterprise able to move fast and reinvent itself. We offer concrete, practical solutions and approaches for achieving this transformation. Insights into the mobility ecosystem to identify new business models. Agile, multidisciplinary collaboration methodologies to unlock growth potential. Approaches to data analytics that harness the predictive power of AI. At Capgemini Invent, we craft the propositions, operating models, and capabilities that it takes to adapt and thrive in the new reality. Shaping and delivering transformations inspired by the intersections of strategy, technology, data science, and creative design. Informing choices that can drive your business from idea to action to results. Invent your future with Capgemini.